Good morning guys, Happy New Year 2020. Welcome back. We're back to the Oregon Norton Enthusiasts Club meeting again. That happened quickly, I guess, with us having the Boxing Day meeting. And thank you very much for all your great comments about Boxing Day and the holiday video as well. Thank you. So really looking forward to this year. Lots and lots of projects. I'm going to go on the Thruxton today because I hardly ever ride it actually, and I've done about 4,000 miles, I'm ashamed to say, in about 6 years. So I'm more inclined to jump onto the old vintage bikes, as you know. But anyway, I'm going to stretch the legs of the Thruxton today, meeting up with Jeff for a quick coffee before heading over to the club meeting. And then afterwards, we're going over to George's place for a little surprise, something nice. Probably won't show you too much in this video because I only have so much time, but definitely an upcoming video that I think you'll really enjoy. Weather-wise today, it's supposed to rain around noon, maybe a little after noon, but who knows with local Portland weather forecasts as well. But hopefully we can avoid the showers. If not, we'll see, and I'll speak to you again soon. Okay guys, see ya. This is my incredible deal helmet. Shoebirth helmet for $100.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
I bought Sandra a new helmet for Christmas.
Look at that. Modular as well. Flip up. The Moto Corsa Ducati dealership was going out. They were dropping their dealer, their distributor.
And they had a clearance on it?
And they had a clearance. Dave heard about it, said they're doing helmets for $100.
Wow.
We hightailed it down there, both of us, and then we got the last two. It was amazing.
And they fit. Hard to stop.
Yeah, that was tough. I like the unfaired ones, they're very nice.
I don't like the faired ones myself. One of the oldest bikes here.
Very nice. Boy, that thing's like a survivor. It's not restored, right?
Yeah, somebody's done a load of work on it. It's a 75, 76, the first one to come out. It's only done 18,000 miles, so it should go off a couple.
I saw the nice blue sky this morning and thought, man, I bet some guys will be riding. And then when I got outside, I went, it's a lie. It's a lie. It's all going to rain. It's going to rain. There's no escaping it.
No, I know.